Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I start the explanation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Azara Adlia and my NPM is 2411040077. In this video, I will explain about skimming, headings, and prediction based on headings. For the first question, skimming is a type of speed reading. Basically, skimming is reading a text quickly to know what it's about. When we skim, we do not read every word, we just try to get the main idea. In skimming, we take only important information, not everything. So this technique is often used when we reading newspaper or magazines. Now, let me explain how to use it. If it's one paragraph, I usually look at the first and read the first and last sentence, then I look at some keywords in the middle, so that way I know what the paragraph is about. But if it's longer text with many paragraphs, I start with a look at the title and headings, then I skim the first and last sentences of each paragraph and notice some important words, because it helps me to understand the main idea without reading everything. Now about the second questions. The sentence heading summarizes the aim of the entire paragraph means that a heading tells us the main idea or purpose of a paragraph in a short way. So before we read the whole paragraph, we already know what it will talk about. In my opinion, headings are very helpful because they make it easier for readers to understand the focus of each paragraph. This relates to skimming because when we skim a text, we do not read every word carefully. For instead, we look at the headings, subheadings, and some key sentences to understand the general idea. Headings help us quickly grasp the topic of each paragraph so we can understand the text faster without reading everything in detail. Okay, now for the third questions. When I only read the headings, I can predict the general topic and the focus of each part of the text. Headings help me guess what the information will come next even before I read the full paragraph. For example, if the title is all about alligators, then from the headings such as family, types, and lives, I can guess that the text will explain about their classification, the different kinds of alligator, and how they live. Not only that, for the headings, I can also predict the organization of the text. For instance, if I see the headings like introduction, main discussion, and conclusion, I know that the text follows a clear structure. So by only read the headings, I can already imagine the content and understand the direction of the text before reading it in detail. So that is my explanation about skimming, headings, and how we can use headings to predict a text. I hope my explanation is clear and easy to understand. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.